The actor's journey, from local gigs to national fame. Setting foot on the path of an acting career is a voyage filled with obstacles, personal growth, and the pursuit of aspirations. From modest origins in community theater to the dazzling spotlight of national stardom, every stride signifies resilience and ardor. Commencing with community theater and independent films. The journey of every actor frequently commences within the heart of their society. Engaging in community theater productions and indie films is more than just a stepping stone. It is a pivotal phase where one refines their art, constructs a portfolio, and acquires priceless experience. These smaller engagements offer a secure arena to experiment, learn, and evolve. Transitioning to major projects. After establishing a sturdy groundwork, the subsequent step involves transitioning to grander projects. This may encompass mainstream films, TV shows, or commercial campaigns. The pivotal factor here is to audition consistently and network extensively. Each audition is an opportunity to exhibit your talent, and every professional connection is a prospect to elevate your career. Pointers for achieving national acknowledgement. Cultivate an outstanding portfolio. A robust portfolio or show reel is indispensable. It should spotlight your versatility and strengths, captivating the notice of casting directors and agents. Participate in industry gatherings. Workshops, film festivals, and casting calls are superb opportunities to broaden your network and visibility on a national level. Persist. Continue auditioning and forging ahead, even in the face of rejection. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Stay informed. Stay abreast of industry developments and continually refine your skills. Enroll in acting classes, vocal coaching, and other pertinent workshops. Significance of tenacity and diligence. The path to triumph in the acting domain is rarely smooth. It demands unwavering commitment, fortitude, and a dedication to perpetual learning. Sustaining motivation and concentration, even when confronted with obstacles, is paramount. Remember, each hurdle is an opening to progress and enhance. Inspirational anecdotes. Actors who achieved greatness. Amitabh Bachchan, the resilient superstar. Amitabh Bachchan, known as the Shahenshah of Bollywood, faced numerous rejections in the early stages of his career due to his deep voice and tall stature. Despite these setbacks, he persevered and eventually broke through with his iconic performance in Zanjeer. At one point, his career seemed overdue to a near-fatal accident on the set of Coolie. However, his miraculous recovery and return to cinema showcased his indomitable spirit. Bachchan's journey is a testament to resilience and the power of perseverance. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, from struggles to stardom. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's rise to fame is a remarkable story of grit and determination. Coming from a small village and facing financial hardships, he worked as a watchman and chemist while pursuing his acting dreams. After a decade of playing minor roles, his breakthrough came with Gangs of Wasseypur, where his portrayal of Faisal Khan brought him critical acclaim. Siddiqui's journey exemplifies that passion and hard work can overcome even the most challenging circumstances. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.